Welcome back to another video from World Technology. As we're all aware, the human race is slowly killing Earth. In this video, we're going to be looking at inventions that will help to save this wonderful planet. Make sure you watch until the end to see the best invention. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of our videos. First up, we have Cpin. This invention is designed to collect everything we don't want in our seas. These bins are being placed into our marinas and ports around the world to stop trash from floating out into the oceans. The Cpin works by pushing the inner basket above the surface and then down below it, pulling the water in gently. The inner basket then collects the trash that is drawn in whilst the water is pumped out of the bottom. The Cpin also has a pad at the bottom of the basket which can soak up any oil. The device is operated by a water pump submerged underwater and costs around $4,100. More and more of these bins are being installed to keep our oceans as clean as possible. Edible packaging. This is an invention from Seawater Brewery and is designed so that the underwater wildlife can eat the packaging without it being harmful. One study shows that 50 to 70% of seabirds and 50% of turtles in one given population have consumed some form of plastic. This packaging is made from leftover wheat and barley from the brewery. If the packaging is to then end up in the ocean, it starts breaking down within hours. This allows wildlife to eat the packaging and also stops them from getting stuck in it. Buying beers with this packaging is not only helping marine life, it makes you feel better knowing you're doing your bit. Here we have edible Waterpods. These Waterpods have been designed to reduce the amount of one-use plastic bottles we use. The pods were invented by Skipping Rock's lab and are made out of seaweed extract, making them 100% edible. These pods can be made for as little as 2 cents, making it much cheaper to produce than a water bottle, which is another advantage to this greener product. Pavegen is a device designed to generate small amounts of electricity from people walking over it. The device will be installed in train stations, offices, shopping malls, and even in city centres to get as many steps as possible. Each step taken on this device will produce 2 to 4 watt-seconds of off-grid electricity which can talk to building management systems. As you walk on the device, your weight makes small generators installed underneath the tiles to rotate, producing the electricity. Pavegen has been installed across the world including USA, UK, China, Thailand and many more. It cost anywhere from $75 to $160 to have this device installed. This is DB Export. Sand is used extensively across the world and as a result 2/3 of our beaches are retreating. This device has been invented to crush beer bottles down into a sand substitute. It works by crushing the bottles down and then a vacuum system is used to remove silicon dust and labels, leaving glass sand. About 60,000 tons of glass goes to landfill each year. This device will help to reduce that. The sand can then be used in construction, which will reduce the amount of beach sand, helping to save our beaches. Zehra is a device to turn food waste into fertilizer for your home. This device is easy to use and can make fertilizer in 24 hours. Zehra works by filling up the device and then adding their food recycling additive. Simply turn the device on and in less than 24 hours you will have homemade fertilizer to use in your garden. If you want this device, it will cost you around $1,000. Lastly, we have Ocean Cleanup Interceptor. This device has been designed to intercept plastic in rivers before it gets to the oceans. The solar-powered interceptors are placed carefully in the rivers, allowing plastic and other trash to float into the device. Inside the device, a conveyor belt collects the trash and empties it into containers. Once these containers are full, the barge is then taken back to land, emptied for recycling, and then placed back into the interceptor. This device has been known to collect up to 100,000 kilograms of trash in a single day, reducing the amount of trash that is in our oceans. Thanks for watching. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. Feel free to check out other videos on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest gadgets and inventions. See you in the next video.